Maintenance on tile roofs must be done regularly. Being in the sun for most of the day, tile roofs get attacked by UV all the time. It leads to deterioration of the paint and waterproofing alike. This tile roof was in a reasonable condition but did need replacement of waterproofing and a fresh layer of paint. Tile roof tends to deteriorate in the sun, and here it was no different. Oxidation of the waterproofing and paint was helped along by the UV rays. Left for much longer, water will enter the roof, which leads to timber rot and the growth of mold. Needless to say, the roof structure will fail and mold will lead to medical conditions. Financial expenses that could be prevented. Performed task. Clean the whole area with a high-power hose to get rid of all dust and debris. Remove redundant waterproofing to make way for fresh waterproofing. Replace any broken timber and reinforce the weakened structure to ensure the structure will carry the load. Place new waterproofing on hips, valleys, flashing and plumage vents. After the roof is properly waterproofed, it is painted with a good quality UV-resistant paint. All repairs were completed, waterproofing applied and painting executed successfully. The property is ready to protect its occupants completely. The owner and his family will be well protected against the weather. He now has a property which he can be proud of. Visit https://tremco.co.za or call 07327082270.